A majestic property awaits you with incredible views of Mount Hood, the Columbia River, sunsets, and Portland's city lights. This gated community offers a perfect place to live, work, and vacation. The dramatic entry invites you to discover the sumptuous and modern interior, brilliantly designed to enjoy the river views from sunset to sunrise. From the soaring ceilings and skylights to the epoxy floors and built-ins, no detail is overlooked. On the wraparound deck, savor tranquil river and mountain views and endless sunsets. The kitchen with Sub-Zero high-end appliances features slab granite countertops, double dishwashers, and a gorgeous cooktop island. Entertaining is easy with a built-in dining table and well-appointed wet bar. Or relax in your luxurious primary suite with direct access to the view deck, ready for year-round entertaining. The spa-inspired bath features a jetted tub, separate vanities, and a dual-headed shower. The huge walk-in closet with built-ins includes a convenient extra closet. And you'll love the main level office with built-ins. Another main floor bedroom suite with a full bath and large utility room complete this main level. Gather with friends and family in the spacious media and game room. This home of more than 5,200 square feet has 5 generously sized bedrooms and 4 full baths. You'll also enjoy a surround sound system throughout the home and a movie theater set up in the oversized 3-car garage. A truly one-of-a-kind property with spectacular river views. It's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.